Well, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a video for main board for Vizio M550NV, which was either sold or repaired on 5th of February 2019. We give 90 days warranty on that, and it was returned back claiming that it wasn't working. I actually don't know what exactly wasn't working. I will see that when I upload and send that video to the customer. I'm looking for some unique markings. This is something that is fairly unique on that board in addition to our own label. What we found out to be wrong with the board was the 12-volt fuse, which sends the 12 volts that come here through the cable to the T-con board. We replaced it twice, and I don't know why the second time. The first time, when we put the board into test to see what was wrong with it, the backlights came, but there was nothing on the screen. And then we tested the fuse and then found it open. And because, as you can see in many other videos dedicated to that problem from us in our YouTube channel, usually this is because of a poorly inserted or untimely pulled out cable for the T-con, because there are 12 volts that go here. They enter from the power supply board, go through the fuse, go through a switch logic that enables them by the main processor, and they go out to the strip cable from where they go to the T-con. So that fuse was bad, and we replaced it once and it blew again. Either it wasn't me, either whoever installed it was wrong, but I checked the cable the second time and there wasn't anything wrong with it. And then we replaced it again, and I installed everything, and this TV has been working for about 40 minutes since then. I checked all the 4 HDMI inputs, I checked the apps, everything works fine. So literally the only thing that I see wrong with this, that I saw wrong with this, was the fuse. And I'm gonna send that video to the customer and tell them this is what we see wrong with this board, and asking, are you okay for us to return, because I don't see anything else that was wrong. And why would that fuse blow roughly 3 months after the board was serviced? I honestly do not know. On this board there is merely switching logic. The 12 volts are not being used here. There's merely switching logic that sends the out to the out. If I have to hazard a guess, it would be that the board hasn't been used until recently, and when it was installed in a way that caused the fuse to blow, and not anything else that has happened. Let us know, get back to us. Thank you.